Good evening. I am Siji Varghese, coming from Pathanamthitta. I am completed BSc Mathematics and B.Ed, same B.Ed Mathematics, completed Kerala University. I am working in last years working in many CBSE school, 2-3 CBSE school, and now I am tutor of Olney Anglo-Indian. Today I am teaching 10th mathematics, that first chapter, that are real numbers. I am getting that HCF and LCM. Already you have studied that HCF and LCM of lower classes. Third standard, 4th standard onwards, you are studying in the textbook that HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factors and LCM lowest common LCM least common multiple. HCF highest common factor. That already you are studying. The 10th class, already you are studying that prime factorization of numbers. LCM is finding first you want the prime factorization. Prime factorization of numbers that you are finding first slide. First introduction of HCF and LCM. HCF means you know that HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly without a remainder. That is HCF, highest common factor. Then LCM definition, LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is exactly divisible by each of them. That is HCF and LCM. That is the definition of HCF and that already you are studied in the last years or smaller classes. Then after that, next you are finding that HCF and LCM you are taking that prime factorization. You know that prime factorization means one number is given, that prime factorization means that multiply that prime numbers. That time you are getting that number. Example, prime factorization of 10, that is 2 into 5. Look at that, 2 into 5. That is 2 into 5 equals 10. So 2 and 5 are prime numbers. Same like that, prime factorization of 18 equals 2 into 3 into 3. That means 2 into 3 into 3, you are right to 3 square. That is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18. Another numbers, example, prime factorization of 25, that is 5 into 5. Like that. That LCM and HCF you are finding, first you are need prime factorization. Yeah, you know that prime factor that already you are studied. Then I am just indicate this. Then after that HCF and LCM. First prime factor, then finding the HCF and LCM using prime factorization method. Then many methods are you are studying. First from prime factorization method, division method, then 2-3 methods. Already you are studying 6th and 7th standard. But now here in the 10th standard you are studying that only prime factorization method. So one example, I given one question, find the HCF and LCM of 6 and 20. That is the question, first question. That already we have 6 equals prime factorization. You are taking that 6, then prime factorization factors are 2 into 3. Then after that 20, 6 and 20, 20 equals 2 into 2 into 5. That is 2 square into 5. Here is, that is the HCF means highest common factor. Here is common factor is 6 is only 2 and 20 is 2. So common means that is only 1 to take. So HCF equals to, then 3 is not here in the 6 and 20, only 6 are in 3. So 3 is not taken. Then 5 also like that, 5 is not taken. So only take that common 2. So HCF equals 2. That is highest common factor. Common factor means two numbers are in common. That is common factor is only 2. So HCF equals 2. Then after that, this same number 6 and 20. same numbers, how can you find the LCM of two numbers? That is a common note, that is in the highest power of the number. Highest power means 6 is only 2, but 20 is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means 2 square, that is the highest. So 2 square is taking first LCM. So LCM equals 2 square into, then after that 3. 3 only 1, 3 raised to 1, that also take. Then 3, then 5 only are in 20. So 5 also take. So LCM equals 2 square into 3 into 5, that is 60. Okay, multiply that all. So you are getting 60. So look at that above example 6 and 20. That already you are noticed that HCF 2 and LCM 60. Look that the 2's are in multiply. HCF of LCM. HCF is 2, LCM is 60. So 60 into 2 is equal to 120. So look that if question find the numbers, you are finding that HCF and LCM of 6 and 20, that numbers are your multiply. So numbers are 6 into 20. So you look that what is the comparison of that two numbers. Two numbers and HCF and LCM is multiply. So that two numbers multiply, you are getting 6 into 20, 120, and HCF and LCM is multiply, you are same like that. HCF and LCM is multiply, you are getting 120. So you have noticed that from the above example, you have noticed that HCF of 6 and 20 into LCM of 6 and 20 equals 6 into 20. So you are understanding here, let numbers are in, let A and B, any two numbers, that is you are taking that A and B, first number A and second number B. So let A and B are two numbers. So here you are looking that understanding that HCF of A B into LCM of AB equals A into B. That means any two numbers is taking, that any two numbers HCF and LCM is multiply, you are getting that numbers are multiplied, that twos are same. So here is you are notice that. Okay. Then another one question. So you are understanding that equation. Equation means LCM of two numbers equal, no, multiply the two numbers equals LCM into HCF. That you are understanding that. Okay, that is the my important equation. And then these equations are using, then one question is given that HCF of 306, 657 equals 9. So means that numbers are in 306 and 657. That HCF is given 9. You are find the LCM of 306, 657. So first you are thinking that HCF is given, LCM you don't know. The numbers also given. Numbers means 306 and 657. So you are thinking that equation, given the equation LCM into HCF equals product of the numbers. So that threes are taking that, you are finding that LCM. So LCM equals that you are taking that equation that using product of the numbers divided by HCF. So HCF equals product of HCF means 306 into 657 divided by 9. 9 means LCM. So you are multiply, not want to multiply though. So 657 and 9 is cancellation method. So you are cancelling that time. Then remaining numbers are in to multiply and multiply. So 22338 in the answer. So that is in the LCM. Then another question, same like that. LCM is given, you are finding HCF. That also same like the same process, product of numbers divided by LCM is finding that. Okay. Then one more question. Find LCM and HCF and verify. Taking one example, verify LCM into HCF equal product of two numbers. First question 26 and 91. That 26 and 91 is A and B, the two numbers that is in the question. You are first find LCM. Second find HCF, that are using prime factorization method. Then that twos are verify, that is correct or not, verify LCM into HCF equals product of two numbers. That is verify. Verify means first you are finding LCM, then HCF, then LCM into HCF, that is verify. So first find 26. Answer 26 equals 2 into 30. 2 into 13 means 2 into 13, that is 26, prime factorization method. You are taking that prime factorization. 91 equals 7 into 30. So HCF, that common, highest common factor. Then 13 is the common. So HCF 13. Then after that LCM looked at highest common factor. 26 are in only 2. So 2 raised to 1, that is taking. Then 91 is only 1 7. So that 7 is taking. Okay. Then 13, 2's are in common, that is 13. Okay. That 13 are in taking. So 2 into 7 into 13 equals 182. That is LCM. So first part is over. Find LCM and HCF. Then one more part in the question, verify LCM into HCF and equals product of two numbers. So you can look at verify, write in the side verify. First LCM. So you are taking that first LHS part. LHS part LCM into HCF. LHS, LCM into HCF. LHS is, you are getting that 13 and LCM is 182. So you are multiply that too. So 13 into 182, you write in the side, then multiply, then write in the answer here left side, that is 2366. Then you are firsting LHS is given. So what is the RHS? Product of two numbers, that is the RHS. So after that you are taking the RHS, that is product of two numbers. Two numbers are in here 26 and 91. So product of numbers equals 26 into 91 equals 2366. So look that the twos are in equal. Twos are in equal. You are notice that these twos are in equal. So verify, that is same. That is verify is already correct. So LCM into HCF equals product of numbers. You are finding that finding the HCF and LCM and verify also. So you are looking that these twos are in correct. Okay. Then sometimes that three numbers are given, that time not satisfied like this. LCM is LCM into HCF, product of three numbers is not satisfied. Okay, only two numbers is given, that is verify LCM into HCF equals product of two, that is only satisfied. Okay, understood that? Then after that,
Siji.
then after that, more questions are in the textbook. You are write and study that in the textbook.
Okay. വിട്ടുപോയോ? ഓക്കെ.
Go to stop it.
ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണോ ഓൺലൈനിൽ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണോ എടുക്കുന്നത്?
ഓൺലൈൻ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യുകയും ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ വരുന്ന, അല്ലാതെ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ചുമ്മാതെ ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞുള്ള ഓൺലൈനേ എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഇനി
ഓക്കെ. റെക്കോർഡിംഗ്
സ്ലൈഡ്
സ്റ്റോപ്പ്
വെച്ചിട്ട്
ചെയ്തായിരുന്നോ?
ഏ
റെക്കോർഡിംഗ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്തോ?
ആ സ്റ്റോപ്പ്